I just got my box from Jackson's and it just took 3 days, which is really fast. And today I'm going to unbox it for you guys. What did I get? I got a sponge. It's huge. It's super huge. Okay. I think I can cut it up and share it with some of my friends. Up next, I just got this little boxes of 12 demi-goodie or half bands. I got this portable painter. So to bring, I didn't expect it to be so small, but it's really cute. I was thinking of giving this as a birthday gift to a friend. Maybe I will. There you have it. Portable painter. It's so small. Cute. Empty, but this one empty metal box. Quite small. It's supposed to be empty, but it feels like there's some stuff in it. I really like it. I hope it will be good. It's already starting to have some. I don't know if it's going to be good. Look at that. I'm not so sure about this product. It's already starting to do that. And here it's still okay. I guess as long as it doesn't get scratches on this area, it's fine. It's quite heavy compared to the other one sizes. You can see this one is like, so look at the measures like that. It's like this one is almost 12 inches. And that's the width is 2.5 inches. Hold on, compared to this one, it's almost like half the size in length. Okay, I got another one. I got this Etchrlab 37 wells. Okay, manufactured in China, but this comes from the US. Let's open it. So excited. Designed by Stephanie Law, whoever she is. Does anybody know Stephanie Law's metal tin box? Okay, I got this because it's so cute. Tiny. It has the Etchrlab logo inside. And there it is, folks. 36 wells. It's good for travel, and it even has this. Okay. Where's the cover? I like the packaging. Like it gets protected by all this stuff from shipment damage. Looks like that. Voila. I like the sound it makes. Okay. And then I also got this thing. It's to help me draw perspectives. I thought it will be bigger. I thought it was A4 size, but it's not. It's just to help me with my perspective. It will be perfect for an A5 sketchbook like the Cinebeam. Yeah, it will be perfect for sketchbooks. It's just a good size. It could also act as something you can stick on your postcards. Like, I think I have postcard paper here somewhere. Stick a postcard on it. Yes. So drops at the same time, and it even has some explanations on how to do it. Okay, I'm convinced. And what else do I have? Let's get this out of the way. I also got this color matching guide. Okay. I think it will be helpful. I thought it might be helpful to get this for a beginner like myself. Let me know if you have any experience using this color guide product. Matching guides. It's interesting. Voila, that's it. 36 artists' colors. How it works. Interesting, isn't it? And then, speaking of the color guides, I also got this Grayscale value finder. And some explanations at the back how to use it. From the Color Wheel company, it says. What else do I have? I also bought a couple of brushes. I think one of the ways that they say is they scrimp on the packaging. Like, look at this one. It's not packaged well. It's 1/4 series. I actually already have the half one, and I have the 1-inch one. It's all from the 300S8S flat black velvet. What a very useful brush. Okay, and usually in some of them they come in very nice packaging like this, like the Winsor and Newton. Comes in nice packaging like this. I guess it just makes it more expensive. And what is the other brush that I got? The other brush that I got is the Vinci 4 Petit Cli. It's a German brush. Let me open it. There you have it. I have completely removed stuff. And it has very good reviews, and I've always wanted some bigger brush like this. I have a small one that I like to use. That's Raphael. Look. This one, hopefully it will keep its shape and it's more pointy. This one's not quite so pointy. That's why I got one from the black velvet. Seriously, it's more pointy. And it's easier to control the water from that as well. Okay. Last items I'm going to show you is this. I got an M. Graham 5-color watercolor set. I just wanted to try it out. These are the colors that it has. And also I wanted to try last one is the Holbein 6 tubes. That's what I bought this watercolor wells for, and there, and the other stuff. Oops. Okay, let's open it. There we go. There's all these colors. It has burnt sienna, cobalt blue, viridian, permanent yellow, and vermilion hue, crimson lake. That's that. Thank you so much for watching.